Exploring Junie Boutique feels like stepping into a beautifully curated digital haven where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create an atmosphere of comfort, inspiration, and pure delight from the very first moment you begin browsing. There is an immediate sense of calmness and sophistication that surrounds the entire experience, as though the boutique has been carefully shaped not just to display products, but to create an emotional connection with anyone who visits. As you scroll through each category, you can feel the dedication behind the selections. The pieces appear to be chosen with a careful eye for beauty, comfort, uniqueness, and long-lasting appeal. The boutique balances modern style with timeless charm, making the collection resonate with people who value creativity and quality. Every product seems to hold its own personality, yet everything fits together harmoniously, offering a cohesive sense of elegance that makes the entire browsing experience feel almost like walking through an artfully arranged showroom built around warmth, authenticity, and personal expression. The layout of the site plays a huge role in enhancing this feeling. Navigation is effortless and intuitive, giving you the freedom to wander through different sections without ever feeling overwhelmed or lost. You can sense that a lot of heart has gone into presenting each item thoughtfully, with images that are bright, inviting, and beautifully composed, capturing the textures, colors, and small details that make each piece feel special. The descriptions add to this charm by being clear, friendly, and informative, providing exactly what you need to know while maintaining that gentle, welcoming tone that makes the boutique feel approachable and trustworthy. As you explore further, the impression intensifies that Junie Boutique is more than just an online store. It feels like a space where creativity meets comfort, where every choice has been made with the customer's joy in mind. The checkout process continues this experience flawlessly by being smooth, straightforward, and reassuring at every step. There's no confusion, no unnecessary delays. Everything feels polished and customer-centered, as if the boutique wants you to feel taken care of from start to finish. The moment you move from casually browsing to making a decision, the entire system feels supportive rather than transactional, maintaining that same sense of ease and harmony that you feel throughout the site. This consistency is what makes the boutique so memorable, a reliability and warmth that sets it apart from typical online shopping experiences. What truly elevates Junie Boutique is the way it strikes a balance between feeling stylish and yet completely comforting. It never feels overly flashy or impersonal. Instead, it gives off a sense of authenticity, like it was built by someone who genuinely understands what shoppers value: beauty, clarity, trust, and a sense of connection. Whether you're looking for something new to express your style, hoping to find a unique piece that stands out, or simply enjoying the pleasure of discovering thoughtfully chosen items, every moment you spend on the site feels like an enjoyable, unrushed journey filled with small sparks of delight. By the time you finish browsing, you're left with the impression that Junie Boutique isn't just a place to buy products. It's a place to feel inspired, to reconnect with your personal style, and to experience the soothing joy that comes from exploring pieces crafted or selected with passion. Each visit feels like opening a window to something refreshing and uplifting, something that adds a touch of brightness to your day. It's the kind of boutique that makes you want to return again and again, not out of necessity, but because the experience itself feels rewarding, comforting, and full of personality. With its beautiful presentation, carefully curated selections, seamless functionality, and warm atmosphere, Junie Boutique stands as a delightful example of how online shopping can be both enjoyable and meaningful. Every interaction feels infused with care, making the boutique feel like a trusted little corner of the internet where style, quality, and heartfelt attention all come together in the most inviting way possible.